Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Howdy oil friends, looking at the 4-hour chart, we got a bull break finally from the tight range, and we had that quadruple top, actually a quintuple top at 53.49, rejection time and time again, but still forming higher lows, so the range continues to tighten. Clear bull break today over that resistance, asserting that the bulls have control. And we're now looking up at the next resistance. Zooming out a little bit, it's back at 55.21. So let's look at the daily time frame. And we had that clear tightening channel, and I removed one of those resistance lines to make things more clear, but it was right about there. And a clear bull break above those levels from the tightening range, again affirming the bulls are in control. So resistance is 54.29, and then the highest price we've seen, 55.21. Bullish MACD cross. Great day for the bulls, heading into the end of the week strong. And as long as we keep forming higher lows, the most recent higher low was 52.59. As long as we keep forming higher lows compared to that level, bulls remain in full control. So looking on the hourly time frame to see what consolidation's looking like. Potential bull flag. Nice and healthy consolidation after a big time bull breakout. And then that's when your support and resistance lines are parallel. Not doing a good job drawing right now, but you can use your imagination. Anytime you see consolidation after breakout, as long as it is contained and consolidated and tight, it is exactly what the bulls want to see, and that's what we're seeing right now. So I want to look at the longer term time frame again, because oil is setting up for potentially, I wouldn't be surprised to see if oil went 20% in 2017. There's a lot of obvious fundamental things that could occur to change that, but in terms of technically speaking, the bulls don't have a ton of resistance. After we get over the recent high of 54, or make that 55.21, I'm looking up at previous support. Let's zoom into where I'm looking, and it's back here in, let's see, summer 2015. So previous support, now resistance, 56.54, 56.86, so I'd be looking at the 56 range as resistance. Then I'm looking at the top of this resistance of 62.56 and 61.82, 61.54. So if we get above, first target is 56, and then we're looking up at 62.56. And if we get above that level, look at how easy it's going to be for the bulls to make moves to the upside because of how significantly we absolutely dumped in 2014. So that was the high of the little bounce attempt, then lower highs, lower lows. Now we are reversing the trend, and if we get above those levels, oil could very easily head up into the 70s. So I would not be surprised at all to see oil go 20% in 2017, and it's going to depend on the ability to keep maintaining these higher lows. And you see the weekly time frame, higher lows, higher highs, and looking to continue this breakout with a lot of strength. So obviously, I wouldn't just, make a long-term investment and assume it's going to go up 20%. We're going to have to keep monitoring it and taking it 1 week at a time. But technically speaking, there's not a ton of resistance for the bulls to make that kind of significant move. So we'll always be checking in, and we've been doing these oil videos every night for who knows how long, but we'll continue to do so. And let's check in on USO, getting that clear break as well. We had that clear tightening pattern on the daily time frame, and there's that bull break over the middle Bollinger Band resistance that rejected the price 4 times. Next resistance we're looking at, 1163. We got up to 1158. And if we continue strong, we're going to see a bullish MACD cross and head up to the most recent highs that we have seen. Weekly time frame, after the bull move after the OPEC meeting, normal healthy consolidation, holding the middle Bollinger Band support, and now looking to resume the uptrend by heading back to those recent highs up at $12, which was a bit of a double top. There's a bunch of resistance at $12. The bulls want to get over that level. We can see USO, the high was June 6, 2016, and we look at oil, and the high of the year occurred just recently, January. So a little bit of a discrepancy there. Going to have to keep an eye on that. But the price of oil at the highest price that we have seen in over a year, aside from the past couple weeks, of course, but still up testing those levels. So we'll keep checking in. I appreciate you watching. And again, key support. Let's get those key supports one more time. Currently, the most recent support currently forming is 53.56. Then we're looking down 52.77, 52.59. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow to wrap up the week.